What is it?
80.
80 Fahrenheit. Okay.
And
Let's
you can adjust it.
crank it up to 104.
104.
104. Perfect. Oh, did it go away? Okay, now.
Yeah, just because I haven't touched it.
Okay, so you hold that. I'm gonna go turn on the hot water just a little bit and see if it goes.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, that faucet's not good, Thomas. Let me do the one upstairs.
All right. He's going upstairs. Going to the upstairs one to try and get the water running. Oh, lots of sounds happening. Hear that? Lots of sounds happening. Dad, sounds are happening.
Sounds are happening?
Listen.
Is it humming?
Yeah.
Can you hear it humming?
It's humming.
Not just the water, right?
Yeah, not just the water right here.
Okay, let's go check the temperature.
Let's go. Let's go. Dad's got the phone again. Let's go.
Okay, go check the bathtub water.
I will be back. I will be back.
Thomas Schwarzenegger.
Mr. Schwarzenegger. Yeah! Feel it. Feel it.
I feel good. Okay, that's good. That's good, buddy. High five for victory.